Hi, I want to tell you about your last opportunity to see this amazingly remodeled house at 12618 Oakmont Drive in Kansas City, Missouri. Now, this is a house that's over 3,000 square feet. It's been remodeled inside and out. It's got an amazing floor plan that was way ahead of its time. And you know what? I was looking at the comps last night. Houses in this neighborhood on Oakmont Drive in the last few years have been selling for well over $300,000. Well, now is your opportunity to get almost $100,000 off of that price. Okay, you really want to take advantage of this and do not let this opportunity slip through your fingers. It's very, very difficult to find a remodeled house, period, like what we've done on the house over there on Oakmont. However, if you do find one, I can guarantee they're not offering a bonus package like we're offering. We're offering a $5,000 bonus package. I'm talking front-loading washer and dryer, 6 months cleaning service. Okay, so you're gonna keep your house clean. We're gonna keep it clean for you and get you through the holiday season with a clean house. How wonderful is that? And with those front-loading washer and dryers, you're gonna be able to take advantage of the just awesome first floor laundry room that's on there. You've got to see that to believe it. Now this house is so much bigger than it really looks like from the outside. It's just going to blow your mind. All the neighbors, all of our past open houses the last 2 nights, people just keep coming in and saying, I can't believe this house just goes on and on and on. Back to the bonus package, I want to show you our other thing. You're going to get your own iPad 2 also. Now I just got mine. And I mean, I can't even tell you how much I love this thing. You're going to love yours, but you can't get it. You can't get any of these bonuses unless you come out to our open house on Sunday from 2 to 5. That's your last chance to preview the house. Okay, now after you preview it, we will be accepting bids. Tuesday night, we'll be accepting bids from 5 to 8. And that's when you can come in and you name your own price. All right, you decide what the price on this house is. I'll tell you, it has been appraised for $230,000, but come in and tell me what you'd be willing to offer for the house, because it's an incredible opportunity for you. You're not going to find that. If you ask the realtor to find an opportunity to buy a house where you can name your own price and get over $5,000 in bonuses, and you want it to be remodeled with 5 beds, 3.5 baths, over 3,000 square feet, that person will look at you like you have 2 heads. So this is the only opportunity in the city like it. So you got to come out. Make sure you come out and join us. If you want more information on the house itself, go to our website, www.daveono.com. We got more information on the house itself and a little bit more about the bidding process. But I really, really hope you don't miss this opportunity. Join us Sunday, 2 to 5. You got to be there, or you're really going to regret it later. So anyway, we'll see you Sunday, and good luck on your bid.